A warm welcome to you. In this present moment meditation, we will practice connecting and discovering our deepest calm. In the present moment and in the process of being mindful, we gently quiet the chatter of the mind. Our journey will focus on 3 key intentions. First, we will calm our body using gentle posture and conscious breathing. Next, we will calm our mind, guided by supportive words and inner reflection. And finally, we will integrate mind and body in stillness, where we will practice experiencing the calm that is always within us. Let's begin. Settle into a comfortable position that feels most supportive to you right now, whether sitting up or lying down. Place your hands gently by your side or resting softly on your knees, palms facing upward and open, ready to receive the gifts of this moment. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze downwards. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Take a deep, nourishing breath in, feeling your lungs expand completely. And as you release that breath, let it go softly through your mouth. Continue to breathe at your own natural pace. As you do, begin to take a gentle scan of your body, noticing any areas where you might be holding tension, perhaps in your shoulders, your jaw, or your belly. Without judgment, simply observe. Take another slow, conscious breath in. And as you breathe out slowly through your mouth, visualize and feel that tension gently dissolving, easing its grip, leaving your body with your exhale. If you wish, with your next inhale, gently place your hands on an area where you feel tension. And as you breathe out, feeling the warm, supportive contact of your hands, allow that tension to soften, to melt, and to simply let go. Continue to breathe evenly at your own rhythm. Notice the feeling of release, the growing sense of space and ease in your body that perhaps wasn't there before. As you continue to breathe deeply and release physical tension from your body, let's begin to gently calm our mind. We'll combine my guidance with supportive statements to create a sanctuary within you. You have created this sacred space for yourself, a space to feel truly free. Either out loud or silently in your mind, repeat these words to yourself. In this present moment, there is calm. Feel the truth of that statement resonating within you. Connect with the truth that you are a tiny yet vital part of a vast, great universe. A universe that existed long before this moment and will continue to exist long after. It simply is. whether we choose to worry or not, whether we rush or move mindfully, whether we cling to anger or lovingly let it go. You are connected to something much larger than yourself. Repeat to yourself, either out loud or in your mind, "In this moment, I am calm and connected to the universe." Allow that sense of vastness and connection to envelop you. As thoughts naturally arise in your mind, images, sounds, memories, plans, give yourself gentle permission to let them fade, like clouds drifting across an endless sky. There's no need to hold on to them, no need to engage. Repeat to yourself with kindness and understanding, "It is safe for me to let thoughts go in this present moment as I seek calm." Just because a thought appears doesn't mean you have to attend to it or be controlled by it. Our thinking can be powerful, but doesn't control situations outside of ourselves and doesn't control your inner peace in this moment. And now for the next several minutes, you'll simply sit or lie in stillness and gently practice calm. Continue to breathe, taking deep, nourishing breaths whenever you feel the need, and then returning to your soft, even rhythm. Be sure you are never holding your breath. Let your breath be your constant, gentle companion. As you continue to breathe in this stillness, remember to let any thoughts that may arise simply enter your awareness and fade like ripples on a calm lake. You don't need them at this time. Be mindfully aware of your body, feeling it deeply supported by the ground beneath it and enveloped by the gentle air around it. And now, as we gently begin to bring our awareness back to your surroundings, slowly wiggle your fingers and toes, reawakening sensation in your body. Listen to the sounds in the space that you're in, allowing them to gently pull you back. When you feel completely ready and in your own time, slowly open your eyes or refocus your gaze. Remember the skills you practice in this stillness, the ability to return to your breath, to release tension, to let thoughts fade, and to connect with the calm within you. Use these skills whenever you need to find your way back to peace. If this meditation brought you peace today, please be sure to share it with someone who might need it, and hit the like button to show your support. I truly appreciate you being here. Until our next time together, I wish you calm mind and peaceful body.